Hey everybody, welcome to Sparks Fire and Baling Wire. Apologize for kind of jumping around on this, but with the financial situation the way it's looking right now, really don't want to spend any money on anything, so we're going to work on what we can. Today I'm going to get this front end fixed up. This shaft and the one in back were both wore pretty bad, and I already welded it up and spent a lot of time filing it, getting it round. It's not perfect, but it doesn't need to be. But the plate that pivots on is still, it's a lot better now, but there's still a lot of slop in there. That hole's all egg-shaped. Pretty much the same situation back here. This one was actually worn almost halfway through, but I got it welded up and filed back down. Still have a lot of slop. So we're going to get these holes fixed today. These two pieces. To start with, I measured the shaft, and this one is 875 thousandths, which would be 7/8 of an inch. Now I need to determine where the hole needs to be. Looks like the center of it will be 3/4 of an inch up from that bottom edge, and naturally it'll be centered that way. This one, the bottom side of the hole is original yet. That's a 1/2 inch from the bottom edge. So we'll add half of the 1.25 to that. That'd be 1 1/8 then to the center of the hole. And then we'll center it that way too. Okay, got the welder set up. We'll go ahead and start filling these holes in. Yeah, those are welded and ground smooth. Mark the hole out. This one was at 3/4. Get this marked out with the center punch. I'll use a center finder to find this center. That will self-center on the bottom, and the top's 11 inches wide, so I'm putting it right on the 5.5 inch mark. That should be our center line. We'll mark it 1 1/8 from the bottom edge. That'll be our center line there. Now that the holes are bored, we'll fit that on there. Got a pretty good tight fit on it now. Real happy with the way that one turned out. The front one also slides right on. Pivots nicely. I'm real happy with the finish of the hole for that boring head. I must just be that good. No, not really. What I wound up doing was putting blue layout fluid on the shaft and then sliding that on there until it rubbed, and then I marked the high spots. And then I took a file and filed it down a little at a time until I could get it worked all the way on the shaft. And I kept doing that until it slid on and off real nice. It's not perfect, but it doesn't really need to be. Well, that's going to wrap up this episode of the tractor restoration. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Catch y'all next time. See ya.